Question number 3. Jules is asking, how do I craft the perfect pitch for my product to be considered for magazines and articles? I'm signed up for the Help a Reporter Out emails, but not sure what all to include in my pitch. Thanks. This is a very good question. And by the way, everybody who's watching this live or watching the replay, please pay attention that Help a Reporter Out is a very good page that can create exposure for your brand. Jules is a fantastic fashion inventor. She's invented song dress. Her brand is called Anthem Threads, and the dress has just been launched. This dress allows songwriters to distribute their music through fashion. I'm extremely excited about this dress, and I'm waiting for my own dress to arrive in Germany. Jules is based in US, so it will take a couple of days, maybe a week, maybe 2. Jules, the best way to write a pitch for your brand is to follow the 5-minute perfect webinar script. We have this script in the Fashion Business Mastermind, so pull it up, write it for your brand. If you want me to check on it, send it to me or share it in our group, and then I'll come back to you.